Ganyan.
Nanggiwa mo.
Ano?
All at once.
All at once. Nan, Babo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, so kayo ba'y malapit dito sa may SM City, Pampanga at naghahanap kayo ng bagong Japanese restaurant outside mall?
Guys, nandito kami sa Honmono Ramen. It's a Japanese restaurant located dito sa may J.A.S.A Avenue, Lagundi, Mexico, Pampanga. And this is a newly opened restaurant, sabi mo nga.
Yes, so I heard isa rin sa mga binabalik-balikan dito yung mga ramen nila.
Wow.
Which is yung mga titikman natin.
So ayun guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go! Okay, so guys, before tayo pumasok, nakita ko na yung menu nila. So dito, di lang pala ramen yung ino-offer nila.
Oh,
Yan.
so they also have, I think this is new para sa akin, no? Dipping ramen.
Oh, actually curious din ako paano yung ginagawa dito Yes.
So meron din silang mga Donburi, mga Bento Boxes. Of course, hindi mawawala dito yung mga Sushi Rolls and Maki.
Yes. Yun, so excited to taste them. So pasok na tayo.
Let's go! Okay, ayun guys, so the table is ready. Look at our table.
Yes, ito
Ayun
na.
po guys, so one of each, best sellers per category. I think yun yung pin-prepare nila para sa amin. So
Meron tayo dito yung kanilang Tantan Men, yung Honmono Ramen. Meron din tayo yung kanilang J.A.S.A, California Uramaki. Siyempre sa mga Bento Box naman, meron tayong Chicken Yakitori. Meron din tayong Spam Musubi, Chicken Teriyaki Rice Bowl, which is this one. And siyempre, yung kanilang Shrimp Tempura. Actually, meron mong isang paparating yan. Yung isa sa mga kakaiba sa kanila, yung kanilang dipping ramen. And so, I'm excited to see kung paano yung dipping ramen. Pero before that, tikman na muna natin. So, this is the dipping ramen. So, hiwalay nga siya. So, let's try.
So notice, pati yung noodles natin, the house-made lahat ng mga yan.
Okay,
Wow.
You can dip na tapos diretso.
Very siya.
Wow, okay. Go. Exciting part.
Yun.
Sound.
Slurpee.
This is nice. This is new.
Kakaiba?
Kakaiba.
Kakaiba.
This is good. Sarap.
Kasi sabi nila, Oishii.
Oishii so.
Oishii.
Oishii so. Wow. So a little bit spicy right after you swallow yung soup. But the flavor, hindi siya usual dun sa creamy. Anyway, so tingnan muna natin siya ulit. Wow! Again, compliment dun sa noodles nila. It's actually, wow, after I said, hindi siya starchy. Hindi siya starchy na parang, usual mass-made na noodles. Hindi siya starchy siya. Okay, so again, we would like to thank Honmono Ramen for inviting us. Congratulations po for opening your new restaurant dito po sa Pampanga, and we are actually welcoming you to Pampanga. What can you say? What are your comments?
If you want to eat something new, ako na-appreciate yung kanila dipping ramen. Since napakadalang lang talaga naman yung mga restaurant nagsaserve na ganitong dish. So, at the same time naman, yung lasa, talaga masarap.
Ako, na-appreciate ko rin yung variety ng dishes nila. Price-wise, yes, very affordable at marami ng choices. Highly recommended.
para sa akin naman yung lasa.
Yes.
So ito yung parang lasa na hindi ka mauumay.
Oo.
Something that you will crave again, pwede mo araw-arawin. Hindi ka nasuya kahapon.
So they're open from 11 a.m. up to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. And syempre, yung location naman, SeaOil Lagundi, Mexico Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, malapit siya sa Wilcon.
From SM Pampanga, parang 1 minute
1 minute
away.
lang.
Yeah, go check it out. I mean, see for yourself, taste it for yourself. We let you guys decide. Pero for us, even if it's featured para sa amin, we really appreciate it.
Yes.
Right, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're Pampanga. Till our next discovery.
Isa.
Bye!
Roll on.